Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enter the Leviathan Den in Fish It Roblox. So the Leviathan Den is one of the new area in the new Fish It updates, but the entrance is sealed behind a massive stone gate. So here I'm going to show you the exact location of the gate and the 3 items you need to offer to open it. So first you just need to go to this cave inside the Pirate Cove. Don't forget to put on your diving gear and just swim all the way down like this. Okay. Just dive and dive to the bottom and you'll arrive in the secret passage. So you can just go right in here and you'll see the entrance. As you guys can see, to open this you need to find these 3 relics: the burnt flame relic, sunken eye, and also the black tide relics. But first, to start or to be able to find this one and or to open the door, you need to talk to the Archaeologist NPC first and to ask about the Leviathan here. So what you need to do in here, just click on the view progress. So as you guys can see, I only reach 92% of my fish index in the Pirate Cove. So to be able to go to the Leviathan Den, you need to also finish your fish index in the Pirate Cove to 100%. So you need to reach for 100% first, and after that, when you do that, you can go back to the door and talk to the NPC again. After that, find the relics and the door will be open. So that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.